Hello everyone, welcome to Identity First, second edition of Cybersecurity Weekly Roundup. I'm Kavita, co-founder of Identity First, and I'm going to get you the biggest cybersecurity development in the past 1 week. Let's deep dive in. So let's start with a key update for the banking sector. The Reserve Bank of India has introduced stricter cybersecurity controls for both banks and NBFCs in order to improve fraud detection and improve stronger authentication, as well as exclusive domains, which we discussed in the previous episode as well, to strengthen the cyber defenses. And now, speaking of growth, the Indian cybersecurity industry is set to see a massive boom. The industries are expected to grow at 18.33% CAGR from approximately $5.56 billion in 2025 to $12.9 billion by 2030. The key factor behind this massive shift is the increasing number of cyber attacks, which are pushing the companies to double their zero trust security and strengthen their cyber defenses. And now moving to our next bulletin, there has been an alarming increase in the number of cyber attacks on the government-owned agencies. According to a report by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, based on the data provided by CERT India, reveals there has been a 138% surge in the number of cyber attacks in the last 4 years on the Indian government agencies, and this calls for a cyber resilience strategy. And now some news coming from the private sector. Palo Alto Networks have raised the revenue forecast among cybersecurity pool. So with the demand for AI-driven cybersecurity solutions going strong, the company is projecting its revenue between $9.14 billion to $9.19 billion for 2025. And finally, an important regulatory update. The deadline for submitting feedback on the draft Digital Personal Data Protection Rules 2025 has been extended. And if your business handles personal data, you have more time to share your feedback and shape India's data privacy laws. And that's a wrap. Which story caught maximum attention of yours? Please let us know in your comments. We'll be back next week with more relevant and interesting and important stories in the world of cybersecurity. Till then, stay safe, stay secure. Thank you.